What's happening, TNT gang? Hey, it's another Throwback Thursday, and today we have a little bad news, y'all. As y'all see, it's just me, our main man Taj, man. He hurt his leg, so go down in the comment section, man. Put the little praying emoji. Pray for my little man. Hopefully, he didn't break his leg, Lord. Please don't let him broke his leg. But we wish you for a speedy recovery for your Taj. We love you, man. And yeah, y'all go down in the comment section, give them some love, y'all. But today's video is going to be about, my old Challenger, man. My 2011 SRT Challenger. I'm gonna show y'all how to clean your throttle body the easy way. It's a little bit long and the video is kind of bad editing, but hey, it's Throwback Thursday. We got to show the old school stuff. Y'all just sit back, relax, and laugh, y'all. And make sure you go down there and tell Taj you love him and you're praying for him. All right, guys, enjoy the video. Oh yeah, let me explain about the video. I know I've been having lack of videos. Y'all know we moving at the end of the month, so I've been real busy. Also, I gave y'all a sneak peek on Instagram what your boy been doing on the truck. So if you ain't following me on Instagram, what you doing, cuz you get the lowdown and nitty gritty about everything that's going on the channel before YouTube come up.
Come on, man.
It took everything in me to say that, bro. I can't even talk, man. But yeah, y'all enjoy the video. Yo, what's good, guys? It's your boy Tony B with me. And today, I'm gonna show you guys how to clean your throttle body. I do this maybe every other oil change so I can keep my throttle body, good on the hook, man. On any other car, I usually do it every year, just to make sure, the throttle is clean, the throttle plate isn't sticking, and, my idle is good. And on these Hemis, there is a lot of oil and debris, not debris, what you call it, man?
Boy, if you don't get
Carbon buildup behind the throttle bodies. I used to do it all the time on my 5.7. I know it was real bad. This one has never been too bad. It's pretty simple, something that anybody can do, and you should do it. You should be a routine where, you clean your throttle body as much as possible. It doesn't hurt. You just got to make sure you be careful because of, especially electrical throttle bodies, the electrical connections out here. Be careful with that. And not moving the throttle plate too much, because some of these cars, they have it calibrated just perfect. So if you do, just get you some carb cleaner like I got, some throttle body cleaner. Get you a rag and just wipe it down. But I'm gonna show you real quick how to do it. It's real easy, real quick. So let's get to it. All right, y'all, this is what you need. You need your a rag. It don't have to be extremely clean because you're gonna get a lot of carbon off with it. You need some carb cleaner or throttle body cleaner. You need you some toothbrushes. If you don't have a toothbrush, you just go get your brother or sister's toothbrush. You know what I'm saying? Just get a toothbrush and use it real quick and put it back in the toothbrush holder. They'll never know. Just do it real quick. Or you just get your wife's, you know what I'm saying? Just get your wife's toothbrush and clean your throttle body. She won't get mad at you. Nah, I'm just playing, y'all. Y'all don't have to do nothing like that. When you get you a new toothbrush, just get your old one and bring it out here. This one's kind of dirty, so I'm gonna just use this. You want to get a soft bristle brush to clean the throttle body because you don't want to mess up any of the, the metal on there. And don't you guys like my workbench? No. That's all I got, y'all. Yeah, I gotta do what I gotta do. But I got everything down here what I need. I'm gonna pull off this throttle body and then I'll show you how to clean it. All right, guys, I did all the hard work. I have a aftermarket shaker hood, so I had to take all the shaker stuff off, and I took my intake off, and I was trying to diagnose a power steering leak in this car right here. And if you want to see that video, I got that video up before this one, so I'm gonna put up a card so you guys can check that out too. So I was like, hey, I might as well just go ahead and show you guys how to clean the throttle body while I got everything open and just ready for me to take it off. It's pretty easy. On these SRTs, They have a 8mm, 4 8mm bolts. They're, can you see it? Yeah, it's one up here, one right there, one down in this corner, one in the other corner. Pretty simple, you know what I'm saying? It's not rocket science. You got 4 bolts that you got to take off. Let me zoom in a little bit, give you guys a better view. Yeah, you see these bolts? Get it right, Tony. All right, yeah, you guys see these bolts right here. You know, you just take them off. Like I said, I've already had them off. They're not on too tight. You know, you just take these off. I usually like to run all of them off, well, almost off, so it can hold the throttle body on still, so it won't hit the floor. All right, I loosen them up. Well, you keep taking the screws out. Don't drop them. Please don't drop them. Especially in this car, it has that, you know, the beauty panel down there, and it'll be a lot of wasted time having to go down there and take that off, lift the car up, because more than likely it's not going to hit the ground. That's in this car. Alright, this simply comes off. Now you have a electrical connector on the back, the bottom that you have to take off.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.
Alright guys, as you've seen, I was having a little trouble with this, but what you need to do, you need to slide this connector up forward, then you press it in, and it should slide out. I mean, you get the gist. I don't have 3 hands, so you know, I just want to show you guys what you got to do. Sometimes there's these little tabs that you have to either slide up or slide down, and you press it, and then it comes out. Now I got the throttle body off. Pretty easy. You like them 4 bolts and that 1 connector there. And look at this. It's so clean, man. I'm gonna put up a picture showing, you know, some dirty ones, but you know, I keep mine pretty clean. But I'm gonna, you know, just go through real quick, show you guys how to clean it, how quick it is to clean it, and hopefully I don't get eaten up by one of these crazy bugs out here, because I'm working out here at night, man, and this Florida got these crazy bugs out here. But let me put this down, the throttle body down, and show you how to clean it. All right, guys, now I got the throttle body out on my professional workbench. What I do is this is supposed to be the side that goes towards the not towards the intake. What is it called?
You stupid.
Well, this is supposed to be the dirty side. This is supposed to be the dirty side right here, which mine is already clean. What you do, you get your cleaner, pretty much. Wow, this is kind of weak here, Tony, but it's kind of weak. What you do, just get it, clean it real good. You know, since you have the soft bristles, you don't have to worry about scraping up anything. Then you get your rag, you clean it up, outside, especially around these edges. You know, there usually be a lot of carbon buildup right there that can, you know, have your have it stick open. Have your throttle body stick open. You don't want that to happen. It'll mess up a lot of stuff. What you do is just clean both sides. Like I said, this is a bad example because mine is already clean. But as you can see, it has some stuff that needs to be taken off. But as you can see, you know, this is a representation of a clean one. Maybe in the future I can get you guys a dirty one that you can see the before and after. But pretty much that's all it takes to clean out your throttle body, and just reinstall it from the opposite way of you uninstalling it. Oh yeah, before I put the throttle body on, you can put a carb cleaner on this or throttle body cleaner on your rag and go in here and wipe out the inside of your intake. Make sure it's clean. You know, mine doesn't have much, but that's what I like to do. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't hurt to be clean. Like I said before, just get one of your bolts. Let's start up top, one of the easy ones, just so it can hold it in place. And make sure your gasket is seated right on the back of it. You don't want to have a big leak. Then you torque them down. Make sure, you know, they're snug. You know, they don't have to be tightened down to 200 foot-pounds. You know, you just tighten them hand tight and reconnect your connector. Make sure you do this, please do it. Don't ask me how I know. It wasn't this car, but another car I did it like that. And you can press the little tab down to lock it in where it won't come out. That's all there's to it. Well, alright guys, that's all it takes to do your throttle body. It doesn't take much to clean it. You know, even though mine wasn't clean, I wanted to show you guys how to do it since I had the intake and the shaker already off. Just to make a good video for you guys to see, you know, and show you that you can do it. Girl or guy, anybody can do it. Very simple, very easy. You know, your boy out here at nighttime, you see it's dark outside, but you know, in this Florida heat, man, this is the best time to do it. Even though bugs fly in here, cicadas and everything, but you know, this is the best time for me to do anything. You know, everybody's asleep. You know, I can get some peace and quiet out here and just work on my car. Just get my mind right, man. Just, you know, just working on this car. You know, it just, you know, it brings joy to me, man. You know, that's something that you like to do. You know, I encourage you to do it. Like I said before.
Shut your up.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.